You wake up early, you work all day, you feel exhausted by the end, but your bank account? Still the same, or worse. Ever wondered why some people work less but earn more while you're stuck in the same cycle? Stay till the end, because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see money forever. Let's be honest, most people believe one big lie. If I work hard, I will become rich. Sounds fair, right? But reality, there are millions of people working hard every single day and still struggling to pay bills. So the real question is hard work the problem, or is it something deeper? Point 1. You're trading time for money. Here's your first mistake. You're trading your time for money. You work 8 hours, you get paid. You stop working, money stops. This is called the linear income trap. No matter how hard you work, there's always a limit. Think about it. You only have 24 hours in a day, so even if you work harder, you can't break that ceiling. Meanwhile, rich people don't trade time. They build systems that make money even when they sleep. Point 2. You focus on effort, not value. Let me tell you something shocking. Money doesn't pay you for effort. Money pays you for value. You can dig a hole all day. No one will pay you for that. But if you solve a problem, people will pay you. The bigger the problem, the bigger the money. So instead of asking, how hard should I work? Ask this, what problem can I solve? Because that's where real money lives. Point 3. You're busy, not productive. You feel tired all the time, but are you actually moving forward or just staying busy? There's a difference. Busy people check emails, scroll social media, do small tasks all day. Productive people, they focus on high-income skills that actually generate money, like sales, marketing, content creation, business building. If your daily work doesn't increase your income potential, you're just running in circles. Point 4. You don't have leverage. Here's a powerful word, leverage. This is what separates rich people from everyone else. Leverage means doing less but earning more. There are 3 types of leverage: people, hiring others; money, investing; internet, reaching millions online. Let's say you make one video. If 10 people watch it, small result. If 1 million people watch it, massive income potential. Same effort, different leverage. That's how smart people win. Point 5. You chase money, not skills. Most people chase money. Quick cash chahiye, fast earning chahiye. But money is a result, not the starting point. Skills are the real asset. If you learn a skill that people need, money will follow automatically. But if you chase money without skills, you'll always struggle. Think long term. Build skills, not just income. Point 6. Your environment is holding you back. Look around you. What kind of people are you surrounded by? Are they talking about growth or just complaining about life? Because your environment shapes your mindset. If everyone around you thinks small, you will think small too. If people say, yaar, paisa kamana mushkil hai, system kharab hai, you start believing it. But successful people, they think differently. They act differently. Change your environment and you'll change your future. Point 7. You're afraid to take risks. Let's be real. You want success, but you also want comfort. That doesn't work. Growth equals risk. Every successful person took risks, starting a business, learning something new, leaving comfort zone. But most people, they stay safe and stay broke. You don't need crazy risks, just calculated risks. Small steps, big results over time. Point 8. You don't have a plan. Be honest. Do you actually have a clear plan to make money? Or are you just hoping things will work out? Because hope is not a strategy. Successful people don't guess, they plan. They know what they want, how they'll get it, and what steps to take daily. Without a plan, you'll always feel lost. Now, listen carefully. The problem is not that you're lazy. The problem is not that you don't work hard. The problem is you're working on the wrong things. And once you fix that, everything changes. So here's what you need to do starting today. Stop trading time for money. Focus on value, not effort. Learn high-income skills. Use leverage, especially online. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Take smart risks. Build a clear plan. Do this, and your financial life will never be the same again. Remember, hard work alone doesn't make you rich. Smart work plus the right strategy does. And if you don't change now, you'll still be in the same place 1 year later. So the question is, will you stay stuck or level up?